ngalung kumiling paklemu maji sya eke jingim kan poila dangan duya pi jinge jonga happy kalakon dang shapi ngaher lot ki jingmo jinge jinge jonga namar de dang happy ko inya dem kamon kahi makram api ka shom kendrong kama hade jonga ie tolong jing pen thangi jong ka jingem yang akimun bakin wan kring Henry kim temba ya kadonun Day ma fi it I balong si Yang api pencobi Ya donun Jong abalay pi pensi Nongkyndong Shisha kim bangalong
Yo, what's up everyone? What's up Shillong, Meghalaya, Khasi people?
Our fans.
Yeah, our beloved people. They are not our fans, they are our family.
Our family.
They are now our
Same,
family.
bro, no problem.
We are one yes, we don't want fans, we want family guys.
Okay, thank you.
If you are going to join this
I'm
channel,
sorry.
you are
Our
family. Okay?
Yeah, our brother,
You are our main
sister.
team. See you.
See you again.
So today we are going to react to one suggested video from Wanbhaa, our favorite.
Wow.
Our favorite guy, Wanbhaa. Well, what's up, bro? We are here back to you again. Previous we reacted to Wanbhaa song Doi Doi, guys. They told us Doi Doi. What does it mean, Doi Doi?
So,
One by one, okay? Doi Doi. I actually told them the meaning of Doi Doi before, but I want them to know if they really want to learn Khasi.
Yeah,
So first a name. First you. Doi Doi, what does it mean?
how do we do it?
One by one, him only first.
Just
I
guess.
said before the meaning of Doi Doi. If you don't know, say you don't know. If you want to try something, Doi Doi. You?
Heartbreaking?
Heartbreaking?
Yeah.
You don't know?
Doi doi.
Doi Doi.
I'm stability.
Something that is not stable, like shaking.
Okay, I
Doi Doi.
understand.
Beating, something that will beat.
Okay.
If your heart is beating, it means your heart is Doi Doi. Your heart is
Okay.
Doi Doing, okay? So this is the previous reaction we did to Wanbhaa.
Yeah.
Doi Doi, you can go and check it out. We also reacted to Wanbhaa, guys. Yeah, so we are reacting again to Wanbhaa. The song title is Nongkyndong. Nongkyndong, right?
Wait. I don't know.
Nongkyndong.
No. Say it like this. No.
No.
None.
Non.
K. Dong.
K.
Dong.
Don. Non. K. Don.
Non.
Yes, guys. So tell us the meaning. What does it mean? It sounds like.
We have no clue. We are
Ah.
curious to know.
So what we are asking, kindly hit that sheet, man. Subscribe, join the African family. Let's go, man. Go.
Here we are.
Nongkyndong Bashisur.
Wanbhaa.
Wanbhaa.
Who
This
is
is Wanbhaa. This is Wanbhaa girl, man. The girl featured in the video. This is Wanbhaa house. I'm coming to Wanbhaa. I will see you soon.
Yang api pencobi
Tell me where is Wanbhaa staying, guys? In Shillong or where? Mukep?
Jong abalay pi pensmi Nongkyndong Shisha
This
kim
video there is no
bangalong
subtitle. So let's see.
Bashisur
We'll understand like
Bashisur halay
with the beat
jingmo
and the video what you will understand from the video.
ngalung kumiling paklemu maji sya eke jingim kan poila dangan duya pi jinge jonga happy kalakon dang shapi ngaher lot ki jingmo
I have something called jinge jonga.
namar de dang happy ko inya dem kamon kahi makram api ka shom kendrong kama hade jonga ie tolong jing pen thangi jong ka jingem yang akimun bakin wan kring Henry kim temba ya kadonun Day ma fi it I balong si Yang api pencobi Ya donun Jong abalay pi pensi Nongkyndong Shisha kim bangalong Bashisur Shisur halay jinglong
It's giving you Afro dance, guys. Giving you Afro dance.
Namar bangan her yang sa shi sim ko ye ki tham yang ki jong a kim la kot bor
Up to here, what did you understand from the music? From the video, from the way he's
No.
approaching the guy?
Wait,
What did you get?
This time we start with
Huh?
what did you understand?
You're starting
I'm
with
asking
me.
you.
Yeah.
Jingo Jonga. Jingo Jonga.
So
Okay.
what did you understand?
I understand something called Jingo Jonga.
What does it mean?
It's like mine. Jonga. Jonga is like mine, okay?
Is that correct?
Is
Drop
that
your
correct?
comment.
Let me know,
Drop
guys.
your comment.
I have some Khasi friends. They used
That's
to
all.
say Jingo
From this
Jonga,
great
Jongpi, like
music.
that.
Jongo
Jongpi,
Jonga.
Jingo Jonga. La Dieb Line P. Okay? So
That's
what
all.
from now, what I can guess, that guy, Wanbhaa, he liked the girl.
She's
So-
his
He-
wife. No, he's his wife.
No,
She's
he's
belong to him.
yes, they.
So
Okay.
that means
Yeah.
don't like so
Yes,
already
that's
don't
true. I
understand.
think the
So,
story
I
of
don't-
the video is like both of them, they are kind of married people and they're staying in the same house. So they are discussing their problem. I don't know what they are discussing.
We'll see.
We'll see at the end. Let's see.
Dul ma ba fu sam kia ya don no belakang kape Jingin ba dum senya piwan rajing syai ba ye Gular bangi lak le ya ki wa peneno eh Ken ma ba ke jonga pipi long ka ma hade Kan mento ayu yang na
Their place is so nice.
Ladang ayo kas ba
They
perte
have a lot of
Ladang andu jing yen
The
na
place
pi
is also so cool there.
Jingin jonga kam long eh
Spend our holiday there.
Yang api pencopi
Left, right.
Ya donon Jonga ba le pi pensmi Nongkyndong
Wow. Hey. This guy is only looking for girls. Not looking for the video.
Bashisur hai jinglong
One more thing.
No,
Makan sama Syadi Nongkyndong Hiju tang bangilah
Play with one
Waju
ball.
penero
This
So
guy,
baba iya yang aku isi
Yeah, don't take it.
Nongkyndong Bashisur
We pray for you. Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching. Your love and support. Show us love and support, guys. Yes.
And Bob, what did you understand?
What did you understand?
I
from
will
the
say
video?
the truth, man. I didn't understand anything.
Speak
man.
louder.
I really enjoy him.
Okay, you didn't understand anything. Just from the video, like
The beat.
not the beat, the story. Like the people are there, right? They are
Yeah.
showing some story there. A story doesn't need to be spoken. Like if
That's
I did
Just by watching.
if I did like this, you will understand,
Wow.
right?
Yeah. Wow.
Then what did you understand?
Man, I guess maybe he feel love in this girl.
Okay,
I
you
guess
love.
he feel
Yes.
yeah.
What about you? What did you guess? Just guess anything.
He feel in love.
Huh?
Romantic
Yes.
music.
Yeah, romantic music.
Story.
Romantic story, right? Yeah, I think so. Well, what about
I'm
you?
guessing
Ah.
he's facing tough time with his wife, facing problem, suffering time. So that's why like daily routine, when he wake up in the same house, you understand? His life
Okay.
how will be. So
Oh.
I guess they try to figure it out to find a solution for this
Okay.
problem. But let us know, drop your
Tell us no, guys, if it's right. He's telling that the Wanbhaa and the girl, maybe they had like hard time,
Tough time.
and in the morning they'll come and speak about their daily routine, something like that. Because no subtitle, we are just guessing.
Yeah.
So coming to the video, like the video is really amazing. It's
Even the
good
nature.
quality, and the nature, like the place where they are. We all know, like for me, I know how Meghalaya or Northeast is known
Yeah,
for
yeah.
their beauty.
But you have been
They are
there.
natural. They have a lot of waterfalls. They have beautiful places, and it's one of the.
Have you visited this place?
Yes, no, not. I don't know this place, but I visit Meghalaya,
Okay.
Shillong,
It's
and
close to this
Mukhe.
place.
Most of their places they look like. If
The
you go
same.
anywhere, you will find
City.
waterfall. You will find mountain. They are like hilly place,
Yeah, yeah.
hilly side. So and it's like kind of a cool place. The way
I
they
used
so
to hear
cool.
that there's only one airport in that place.
Yes, that one airport is in Assam.
Yeah, yeah.
So from Assam, you have to take bus to go to Shillong like that. So they are having the wettest place on earth.
Yeah, yeah.
Wettest place, yeah. Modern.
I was not talking about
You
it.
you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my God, you got it,
You
huh?
got it, man.
Thank you guys. Tell us the real story, and kindly show some love. Subscribe,
Love,
guys.
love.
We love you so much. Big fan, Wanbhaa
Not
from
big fan.
Africa.
Yeah, well.
We are one family. We are big fan. We
Wow,
want you to
one
be our family.
Yeah.
Love you all.